Okay, so this is a brand new topic with limits. It has a special name, which you'll see in the next section. But we're in this entire section attempting to calculate this. And I'm not going to lie, it's going to be very painful. There is a shortcut, but you don't learn it until the next section. So we will just be tortured together. Okay, so limit h approaches 0 of x plus h. So I'm going to take my f of x plus h and I'm going to plug it in for x. And then I have 1 minus 1. And then I'm going to put this in brackets just so it's easier. And then minus f of x, which is just 4x minus 1. And then this is all divided by h. Now, what's the goal? What's the name of the game? Get rid of h in the denominator. So if you can't get rid of h in the denominator, you messed up. So all these you should be able to get rid of it. Okay, so limit h approaches 0, 4x plus 4h plus, nope, not plus, minus 1 minus 4x plus 1. This is where distributing that negative to both terms is going to matter. Otherwise, you will not get the right answer. Well, you never get the right answer, but it's more catastrophic here. Okay, so all my 4x's cancel out. I'm left with 4h over h. Those h's cancel out, and I'm left with 4. Not always will I be left with a whole number. Sometimes I'll be left with variables. I'm not really concerned about that right now. Okay, we're going to move to the next example. Limit h approaches 0, negative 4 of x plus h minus a negative 4x all over h. Limit h approaches 0, negative 4x minus 4h plus 4x all over h. Negative 4h over h, so negative 4. Notice I'm writing the limit notation every single time until I can plug in 0 in for my h. Now this is one that's weird, because when I do f of x plus h, there's no x, so I can't plug in x plus h in anywhere, so it's just 5. Again, f of x by itself is just 5 all over h. So I get 0 on the top, so the whole limit is actually equal to 0. So 0 over h is still 0, so then it just all goes away. Check for understanding. So I'm going to plug in x plus h in for x squared. Subtract off when I have my f of x, and then I'll divide it by h. So limit h approaches 0, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared all over h. My x squareds go away, so 2xh plus h squared over h. Everybody has an h. So that h goes away, that goes away, that goes away. So I'm left with 2x plus h. When I plug in 0 in for my h, I'm left with 2x. Okay? So hopefully you got the same answer as me. And then let's move right along to the problem set.